Guess who's back? Hi guys, I am excited to announce I will be vlogging on YouTube again. I know I keep taking breaks on and off, but I'm really excited about this next chapter of my YouTube videos. It's gonna be really fun. We're gonna vlog a lot more. We're gonna do some Q&A style videos. We're getting back into YouTube. It's that time. I'm currently in my friend Bridget's bathroom filming this intro, and I've been filming a few days in my life throughout the weekend. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday of this week. So that's what this vlog is gonna be to kick it off. I'm excited to hear from you guys again in the comments, and I know you guys have been waiting for another vlog, so here it is. Very excited, and enjoy the next few days of my life.
Hi girls! Family dinner! Hi Louis!
Best weekend ever, starting now.
Yeah, starting now. Dinner is served. That looks like a great Caesar.
We had the best Caesar last week.
Hi! This is my dream pasta.
Who's got a different too?
Good morning, guys. It's Saturday morning. Daniel and I are walking to meet up with the twins, and we're going to Seaport for some coffee / to see some garden situation. I'm not really sure. But then my mom and sister are coming in to the city, and we're gonna go, I think, to Bryant Park and try all the foods. Very excited. So we'll see. It's actually like really warm out. I'm in this Isabel Marant fleece that's making me sweat. So Daniel, want to say hi? Hi to the vlog.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope he's someone's. Okay, so we're at Pexla Park.
This is my dad's station. This is the tulip bud. Is that what it's called? The bulb?
Yep, bulb.
The tulip bulb.
Bridget's planting.
Yeah. I'm planting a bulb.
Yeah. Everyone's complimenting my skin today, so we need to take a moment for it. The key is tretinoin. We're at our #1 favorite matcha / coffee shop, Legas. Thank you. We're in Times Square, headed to Bryant Park. Let me pee.
Actual baseline is for cholesterol. They keep rising it so that people are more worried. So it's right. So essentially they're saying that like
This one's better.
Oh my god!
what one?
Yeah, that's wasabi.
Oh, you got the wasabi one? Wait, you don't like real spicy, do you? Oh my god, I'm gonna pee my pants.
Yeah, that's
Happy dumpling sounds really good. Next up is Curds the Word.
oh my god.
It's like a mozzarella stick. Yep. Mozzarella. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, she is
Yeah.
done.
We're getting this. My dream. Oh my god. It's
Giving
mayo.
jacket potato.
It's mayo, ketchup, hot sauce, potato, butter, cheese, beans. He was gonna put crispy onions on it, but she's gluten-free.
Oh.
And pickles. He gave us 2 because we were chatting. It's insane.
No, Cierra.
No.
Really be something that.
How good is that? Yeah. Like, are you kidding
Yeah.
me?
I had to make this at home.
Yes. So good.
He saw your face.
I know. So good.
Getting a bratwurst and a pretzel, which pretzels don't look great. Ugh, whatever. Not real, not real.
We got so much going on.
Oh my god, so much going on.
Okay, ooh, so I got a bratwurst with sauerkraut and mustard.
You said mustard to the guy.
Mustard.
Yeah.
Yes, I did. Of course I did.
Yeah. Yeah?
Whoa. Best I've ever had.
We're a family of dramatics.
Whoa. Wait, sauerkraut.
My mouth's watering.
It's sweet.
Okay, now we're walking up 5th Avenue,
headed toward Bergdorf's and maybe gonna grab some hot chocolate.
Here we go.
The tree's up.
Saks is so pretty.
Wait, and Saks did their lights. I've never seen it being put up. So much scaffolding. We're in the ornament room at Bergdorf's. And we're all gonna pick out an ornament. I'm really stuck between this one or this dog in a robe and eye mask, which is so me. Oh my god, the makeup brush.
Look, that, yeah.
There's a cowboy boot.
Oh, this is a cute one.
Outfit for dinner tonight. Kai top. Free people dress. And Revolve boots. We're at Chez Margot with the girls again. Another day with the twins. Yep.
Best salad ever.
What's in it?
Carrots.
Beets.
Cheese. Cucumbers.
Yep. Oh wait, we're close to the edge here.
Incredible.
Oh, look at the burger. Is that like an onion sauce?
How often do you guys come
Oh
here?
my god. Oh, yeah. Good morning. It is Sunday morning. Went to bed so late last night. I don't even remember where the vlog left off. But I'm doing my skincare right now, and then me and the twins are gonna go to Legaz again, our favorite coffee shop / matcha, and we're gonna bike there, and then we're gonna do our classic football Sunday, which we've been doing for the past 4 or 5 Sundays now, where I organize Bridget's closet, her pantry, and it is my literal dream. It's so fun to organize. Her beautiful apartment. And then we also make the boys a fun meal for Football Sunday. Last week we did chili. Today we're gonna do a French onion pasta. It's gonna be unreal. So we're gonna do that today. I'm very excited. We love our football Sundays, hanging out with all the friends together. And yeah, so I'll vlog a bit of our Sunday and then end it there. And I'm excited to be back into YouTube. Quick change of plans. We are biking to the new cherry store that just opened in New York, Daniel and I. And then I think we're all gonna walk to Rhythm Zero, which is another amazing matcha spot. So that's what we're doing now. And, oh, I had McDonald's last night. Probably why I'm feeling like puffy and lethargic and tired. Is this black or navy? Cherry store. Okay, change of plans once again. We are at Interlude with Bridget and Mitch. Hi, I will get a hot matcha latte with oat milk. It's time for warm drinks.
I got a hot chai.
Hot chai, I got a hot match. So good from Interlude. We pivoted because it's about to rain.
Your skin is glistening.
Thank you. My eyes are red today, that was swollen.
Yeah.
We just popped into a Asian grocery store, of
Question
course. Yep. And we got some insane snacks to try. Taste test coming soon.
Japanese market in Tribeca, that is.
Yep. Oh, and look. Opening this week? Next week? Next week.
Oh wait, it's this week. Friday.
Friday.
I mean, that could have been game.
Salted egg yolk flavor.
Not as good as this emphasis butterball.
It's the Bears.
Yeah, you're right.
Not as good.
No butter, you're just crazy.
Oh, I don't like it at all. These are
They're good, but I don't expect sweet chicks.
Oh. Mmm. 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 Yeah.
You guys want to try spicy video?
Those are terrible.
Yeah.
They're horrible.
You guys, not that bad. Try these.
No. Oh, no.
This is spicy barbecue.
Mmm.
You can't go wrong with
These are really good. Very happy with that. Very.
That's like one of the best chips.
Really good. Best chip I've ever had.
Best I've ever had.
1-0.
That's the appetite for these. Okay.
Hot green pepper and mayo. Corn chip. Oh, they look like cornflakes. They look like breakfast cornflakes. No flavor? No flavor?
Terrible.
No flavor.
Well, if your store yeah. Dude, there's a lot of Germans in that.
Oh, I'm gonna hate it.
Fishy.
Oh, I'm gonna
Like,
hate
you know,
it.
London's never
You
gonna.
look at Grady.
London, Spain, Brazil, and
I don't
that
hate-
direction you start with problem.
Oh,
No. Dude, soccer is that.
oh.
I'm disgusted.
I know, cucumber.
I don't know those
Small viewers.
Yeah.
The first one's disgusting.
Ew.
Wait,
Sierra.
no, eat another.
Talking teams per
I'm
viewer.
telling you right now. Eat another, you'll look
I don't know.
addicted.
Maybe there's not a lot of soccer teams. I actually have no idea. No.
Now it's get you. Now you're used to
Yeah,
it.
right. You would believe
Something
it.
weird.
No.
Yeah.
Every country's a mainstream.
These are iconic.
We'll have those later.
Yeah. And look who we have here. Editing her YouTube vlog. Go watch. Check out her and Danielle's channel. We cleaned the closet up a bit today. Spruced that up. I don't even know what else did we do. With some bathroom organization. And here's Onion. Her little dachshund. Oh, his ear's up. He's listening. Wait, why is it up? Okay.
Okay, I'm closing out this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed my first vlog back. Many more to come. I'm very excited, and yeah, stay tuned for more.